guys, it's Heather here, and today we're going to be doing a walking tour of Disney's Art of Animation Resort. This resort is absolutely cute. I think if there's any resort that screams Disney, this is the one, and I'm just so thrilled to show you guys. Are you guys ready to go see it? Guys, can you see this behind me? You see like the awning right there? It's going to be the future gondolas that are going to take guests to Epcot and Hollywood Studios. It is kind of like going to be a sky ride, like a Skyway. So it's going to be actually pretty neat, and it's going to be opening up this year. It's going to be opening up in fall 2019. So if your trip is scheduled for fall 2019 and beyond that point, you will have access to those gondolas to take you to where you have to go. I hope you guys enjoyed the walking tour. Art of Animation is considered a value resort hotel for Disney, and I think you actually get a lot for your money staying here. And it's great too if you have a bigger family. The Little Mermaid rooms sleep up to 4 people, and then the Moonlight Finding Nemo, the Cars, and Lion King can sleep up to 6 people. So I think that is really, really great if you need that extra space for your friends or family. If you guys enjoyed watching this video, I would absolutely love if you hit that subscribe button down below. I would absolutely love you forever if you could do that. And if you have any questions about this resort at all, please put in the comments below, because I'd be more than happy to help you answer those questions. And also too, if there is also a resort that you would love to see, put in those comments below, and next time I might do that as a walking tour. And your vacation is out there.